Ever felt the sting of the sun a little too much on your skin? You're not alone. Sunburn is a common issue faced by many, an unwelcome consequence of excessive sun exposure that often leaves the skin red, inflamed, and uncomfortable. But nature provides a solution that has been soothing sunburned skin for centuries: aloe vera. This humble plant, when extracted into a gel, holds a wealth of benefits for our skin, particularly when it's been kissed by the sun a little too harshly. Known for its cooling properties, aloe vera can offer relief to the heated discomfort of sunburn, while its anti-inflammatory effects can help to reduce redness and swelling. Moreover, it provides hydration to sun-parched skin and supports the skin's natural healing process. So, how can you harness the power of aloe vera to soothe your sunburn? Let's dive in. Before you can apply aloe vera to your sunburn, you need to prepare it correctly. If you're lucky enough to have a fresh aloe vera plant at hand, simply cut off a leaf and slice it open to reveal the gel inside. Scoop out this gel carefully and you're good to go. However, if you're using a commercially available product, ensure it's pure aloe vera gel, free from added chemicals or fragrances that could potentially irritate your skin. Quality is key here, and it's always worth checking the label to ensure you're getting the real deal. Once you've gathered your gel, whether fresh or bought, consider refrigerating it for a little while. This isn't necessary, but it does give the gel a wonderfully cooling effect, which can be incredibly soothing on sunburned skin. Now that we have our aloe vera gel ready, it's time to apply it. Applying aloe vera to your sunburn is a simple yet crucial step in the healing process. Start by gently smoothing the aloe vera gel onto the affected areas, taking care not to rub or pull the skin, as this might cause further irritation. Give the gel some time to absorb and penetrate into your skin, providing the much-needed relief from the heat of the sunburn. For an added touch of refreshment, consider chilling your aloe vera gel in the refrigerator before application. This can enhance the natural cooling properties of aloe vera, bringing an immediate soothing sensation to your hot, inflamed skin. Don't worry if the gel feels a bit sticky at first. It will soon dry, leaving your skin feeling moisturized and calm. Repeat this process as needed, especially after sun exposure or bathing. Remember, consistency is key when using aloe vera for sunburn relief, so keep up the routine for best results. While aloe vera is a natural remedy, it's still important to take certain precautions. Before slathering on that soothing aloe, make sure you're not allergic. Conduct a patch test. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to a discrete area, like the inside of your wrist, and wait for 24 hours. If you don't experience any irritation or discomfort, you're good to go. Choosing the right aloe vera product is another crucial step. Not all aloe vera gels are created equal. Some contain additives or fragrances that can further irritate your sunburn. Always opt for pure aloe vera gel, free from unnecessary ingredients. And while aloe vera is a fantastic remedy for mild sunburn, it's not a panacea. Severe sunburns can cause blisters, dehydration, even infections. If your sunburn is severe or not improving, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Remember, aloe vera can be a great solution for mild sunburn, but severe cases require medical attention. So, we've covered a lot about using aloe vera for sunburn relief. Let's do a quick recap. Aloe vera, with its soothing properties, can provide relief to sunburned skin. It can be used in gel form, extracted directly from the plant or obtained commercially. The application process is straightforward. Gently apply the gel to the sunburned areas. You can enhance the cooling effect by storing the gel in the refrigerator before use. Keep in mind to conduct a patch test to ensure you're not allergic to aloe vera, and always opt for pure aloe vera gel without added chemicals or fragrances. In addition to its soothing effect, aloe vera also offers anti-inflammatory benefits, a welcome cooling sensation, skin hydration, and support in wound healing. However, for severe sunburns, medical attention might be necessary. With these tips in mind, you're ready to use aloe vera for sunburn relief. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Stay sun safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.